Okay, today I'm going to show you how to create a deck that is not just a square in Revit. Here in my building, I was playing around with some of these concave designs, and I think they look pretty good for these different tiered decks. I'm going to show you how to make this top level real quick, so let's get into it. We'll go to level 3, and I'll delete what I just did. To create a deck, I'm going to create a floor, and I'll change the materials later. I'm going to pick my walls that will enclose the deck, being these 3 exterior walls. Now I'm going to find that endpoint. I'm going to go out straight with this wall, 6 feet. It's a comfortable width for a deck. And then I'm going to come back parallel with the wall. I'm going to mirror that on this side. Okay, now that we have that section figured out, we're going to create that concave design on the inside. To do that, I need to be able to see my second story. I will go to my second story, and there is the concave of the second floor. To match the curvature, I'm going to create a circle, find the midpoint, and connect it. Tangent with this line. Now that the circle is created, I can use this trim extend tool. Select this line on this side of the circle and this side of the circle. Now we have a tangent line that is connected. Same thing on this side. And most of the circle's gone now, and we have a good contour. We'll go back to our third level and click OK. Just click yes and see what happens in your 3D view. It just created that contour, just like on the bottom level. Looks like it made it just a little bit further than the one I did before, mostly because I think I was using the inside of this rail. Should have deleted that before I started. To add rails to your deck, all we need to do is click on Railing underneath Architecture. Make sure you're in your view, and pick Lines. Click OK. Check it out in your 3D view, and it looks like it made those railings on the third level. So, with those selected, we can see the base level offset and change that from 1 to 3. And there we go, we have railing. In the next episode, I will show you how to create a circular stair and the opening in the railing.